the hacker's toolkit, weapon, or shield. The same digital tools used by cybercriminals are also wielded by ethical hackers. The only difference, permission. The toolkit itself is nearly identical. Like a hammer, it can build or destroy. Today we're breaking down the myth. These tools aren't just for villains and hoodies. I'll walk you through 10 essential pentesting tools, how attackers use them to break in, and how defenders use them to lock things down. If you want to understand the digital battlefield, you need to know what's in the arsenal. This is your crash course in the tools shaping our digital world. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the curve. We're decoding ethical hacking, one tool at a time. Let's jump in. First up, Kali Linux. Not just a tool, but a full workshop for hackers and defenders alike. Kali is a Linux distribution packed with over 600 pen-testing tools, network scanners, password crackers, wireless attack suites, all ready to go. For attackers, it's the ultimate launchpad. Boot it up anywhere, and start scanning, exploiting, and moving laterally. But defenders use Kali to simulate attacks, run vulnerability scans, and test their own systems, finding weaknesses before real attackers do. It's the industry standard for ethical hacking, used by security teams, consultants, and government agencies. Kali provides a repeatable, controlled environment to mimic real-world threats. It's not just a toolbox, it's a methodology for securing networks. Without Kali, cybersecurity would be far less standardized. It's the foundation of professional security testing. Next, Nmap, the network mapper. If Kali is the workshop, Nmap is your eyes and ears. Nmap discovers what's on a network, devices, open ports, running services. Attackers use it to map targets, find open doors, and identify vulnerable services, turning guesswork into precision. Regular Nmap scans help catch misconfigurations before attackers do. It's essential for validating firewall rules and maintaining good security hygiene. Nmap transforms a network from a mystery into a map. You can't protect what you can't see. With Nmap, you're never blind. If Nmap finds the doors, Metasploit picks the locks. Metasploit is the world's most popular exploitation framework, a massive database of exploits and payloads. Attackers use it to automate hacking, find a vulnerability, load an exploit, and gain access. No elite coding required. It democratizes hacking, making complex attacks accessible. For defenders, Metasploit is vital for verifying vulnerabilities. Pen testers use it to prove real-world risk, showing exactly how a flaw can be exploited. It's the difference between maybe vulnerable and here's proof. After patching, defenders rerun exploits to confirm fixes. Metasploit closes the loop in vulnerability management. It turns theory into action. Web apps are the biggest attack surface, and Burp Suite is the king of web testing. Burp Suite is an intercepting proxy. It captures, inspects, and modifies all web traffic between your browser and the internet. Attackers use it to brute force logins, test for SQL injection, and exploit hidden vulnerabilities like IDOR. Burp reveals what's happening under the hood, beyond what browsers show. Ethical hackers use Burp to map every function, probe for flaws, and test business logic. Tools like Repeater and Intruder allow for deep manual testing that automated scanners miss. Burp Suite is the standard for finding everything from XSS to authentication bypasses. For defenders, running a web app without Burp testing is flying blind. It's the microscope for web security. If you want to see hidden dangers, you need Burp. Sometimes you need speed. Enter Nessus, the automated vulnerability scanner. Nessus scans entire networks, checking for known vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and missing patches. Attackers use Nessus for broad reconnaissance, quickly identifying the weakest links and prioritizing targets. The reports highlight critical risks, making exploitation efficient. Defenders rely on Nessus for regular scans, turning its reports into actionable to-do lists for patching. Authenticated scans provide deep insight, revealing issues an attacker would struggle to find. Nessus is a cornerstone of proactive defense. Find the holes before attackers do. It's your tireless security robot. Automate your vulnerability management with Nessus. Passwords are still a top target. Enter John the Ripper and Hydra, the password breakers. John the Ripper cracks offline password hashes, automating millions of guesses at lightning speed. Attackers use it after stealing password files, breaking weak credentials, and gaining access. Hydra attacks live services, brute forcing logins on web pages, SSH, and more. Both tools show why strong passwords and lockout policies matter. Ethical hackers use John to audit password strength, revealing weak accounts before attackers do. Hydra tests defenses, ensuring rate limiting and lockouts are in place. If Hydra can make thousands of attempts without being blocked, you have a problem. These tools are a wake-up call for better password hygiene. Don't let weak passwords be your downfall. Wi-Fi is everywhere, and often vulnerable. Aircrack-ng is the toolkit for wireless security testing. Attackers use Aircrack-ng to capture Wi-Fi traffic, crack weak passwords, and exploit outdated protocols like WEP. For WPA-WPA2, they capture the handshake and brute force the password offline. A strong, complex Wi-Fi password is your best defense. Ethical hackers use Aircrack-ng to audit their own networks, hunting for weak spots before attackers do. They check for legacy protocols, weak passwords, and misconfigurations. The goal: fix vulnerabilities before someone in the parking lot finds them. Upgrade to WPA3 and enforce strong passwords. Secure your airwaves. Don't leave the door open. Sometimes the user is the target. BEF, the browser exploitation framework, focuses on client-side attacks. Attackers use BEF to hook browsers via malicious JavaScript, often through XSS or phishing. Once hooked, they can steal cookies, phish credentials, and even launch further exploits, all from a control panel. It's a powerful reminder. Your browser is part of your attack surface. Ethical hackers use BEF to demonstrate the real impact of XSS and other client-side flaws. Showing a live browser hook is often what convinces teams to take these vulnerabilities seriously. BEF turns abstract risks into concrete threats. Defend your users, sanitize input, and educate about phishing. The browser is a front line. Don't ignore it. The game changer: artificial intelligence, not a single tool but a revolution in cybersecurity. Attackers use AI to craft convincing phishing, find 0 days, and automate attacks at machine speed. AI-powered malware adapts to evade detection, making defense harder than ever. Defenders fight back with AI-driven detection and response, analyzing billions of data points in real time. AI learns normal behavior, instantly flagging anomalies and potential breaches. Ethical hackers use AI to analyze data, write scripts, and generate attack plans. The fusion of human intuition and machine analysis is the future of pen testing. The race is on. Whoever leverages AI best will dominate the digital battlefield. Stay ahead. Embrace AI in your security strategy. Every tool we've covered is dual purpose, a weapon or a shield, depending on intent and permission. The best defenders think like attackers, using the same tools to find and fix weaknesses before they're exploited. Proactive security means hunting for vulnerabilities, not just waiting for alarms. This is just the beginning. Each tool is a deep dive on its own. I hope this gives you a solid foundation and a clearer view of the landscape. Want more? Let me know which tools you want to see next. Your feedback shapes this channel. Drop your favorite tools in the comments. Let's learn from each other. Thanks for watching. Now go break something. Ethically, with permission. See you in the next one.